So hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we will guide you through the process of importing a 3D model into SketchUp. Whether you are looking to incorporate existing model or share assets with others, this is a valuable skill to have. So let's dive in. So first step is to begin launch SketchUp and open the workplace or project where you would like to import the 3D model. Make sure you have the right project open and ready. So next, go to the file menu located at the top left corner of your SketchUp window. Click on it to reveal a drop down menu. So in the file menu, choose the import option. This will open a dialog box that allows you to locate and select a 3D model you want to import. Use the dialog box to select or locate and select a 3D model file on your computer. After importing, you will need to position and scale the 3D model within your SketchUp workplace. You can adjust its size and placement to fit your design by using scaling tool. And there you have it. You have successfully imported a 3D model into a SketchUp workplace. This skill can greatly enhance your 3D modeling and design capabilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing for more SketchUp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.